and gentlemen, our first consolation prize is candidate number 2.
Picture gagawin.
Our next category, our next consolation prizes is candidate number. Bungga mo, tulog nyo.
Naturugid siya.
Is candidate number 3. Next consolation prize is candidate number 1. Bongga! Isa na lang! Sino ay hay?
Thank you. Ako pa din ako. Grabe lagi sila yun. Basi malipong ka mo.
And now, our last consolation prize is candidate number 4. Bongga kapit! Oh, nakalawagan ng second runner-up. Our second runner-up is candidate number 2. Siyempre, wala na nalawan. Our second runner-up is candidate number 10. Wala, number 10. Out of couple. Our second runner-up is candidate number. Nalipat ako sa number. Ano ba number? 7. Ikaw. 6. Ikaw. Our second runner-up is candidate number 5. Bongga, sila naman yung duwa mo O nakaparkolawag ang atol best dress ato nga atol category. And now, our best dress 2025. To give the award, we are called Mami Lota and Tita Adette to give the sash and cash prize.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yes. And now, our best dress 2025 for adults category is candidate number.
Holding hands sila, JB.
Holding hands. Yan. Sino number 6 sa inyo nga duwa? Sino ang number 7? Sino ang number 10? Wala. Hep hep? Hep hep? Hooray! Our best dress 2025 is candidate number 6. Candidate number 6, our best dress is Mami Lota, and our first runner-up is Rodelyn Palencia. Division judge.
Kahit tada ko ng 100.
Next year ka na lang.
Dahil ako teacher isa dali. Ang iya, 150, iya 100.
Five ang mo.
Okay.
Bagay siya ng
Four.
siya dan na tadakwan.
Sino to nga? Ito nagdaw sa kid.
Hindi at siya.
Sinini, Kina. Next, picture na. Ako na, steer sila ba?
Hindi, dito ka.
Rose, what's sila?
Duwa ka mo.